In the future, the Earth faces new threats. Energy-hungry alien creatures threaten our lives. There is only one hope. A hero named Zafaro. Zafaro, a qualified IT expert, has excellent fighting and silat skills. Today, his life will change forever. Evening on the outskirts of town. Zafaro walks home after work. Suddenly, a huge explosion sounded nearby. Zafaro ran towards the source of the explosion. Zafaro said, "What's going on here? This is the sound of a big explosion." In the middle of the rubble, Zafaro finds a large robot that is badly injured. Zafaro said, "What is this? A robot? Wait, are you still alive?" Zaduga in a weak voice answered, "Please, I need help." Zafaro finds Zaduga, an Autobot injured after fighting an alien creature. Zafaro tries to take Zaduga to his spacious garage full of sophisticated tools. Zafaro said, "I will help you. We have to go to my garage. You are safe there."
Thank you, young man. My name is Zaduga. I came from another planet to protect the Earth from destructive monsters who are trying to take over the entire planet and the galaxy.
In the garage, Zafaro tries to repair Zaduga with the existing tools. They start talking about the threats facing the Earth. Zafaro asks Zaduga, "Why did the alien creature attack us?"
No, O people, they want to absorb the energy of the Earth. Electricity and nuclear materials are their main targets. Many planets have been destroyed for their ambitions. We must be alert under any conditions.
Zaduga explained at length the purpose of his presence and the threats facing the Earth. Zafaro is determined to help. And then Zafaro and Zaduga prepared themselves to fight the enemy. Anticipate any possibility together. Zafaro said, "We must be ready. I will use all my abilities to protect the Earth." Zaduga answered, "Together, we can defeat them." Their adventure has just begun. Zafaro and Zaduga prepare to face alien creatures that threaten the Earth.
This is the beginning of a friendship that will change the fate of the world. Get ready for an extraordinary adventure with Zafaro and Zaduga. Next episode, First Strike. Do not miss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep following our adventures. See you.